Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to help you with NO plus Lewis structure. It is a chemical formula for nitrosonium ion, and to find out its Lewis structure we will first look at the total number of valence electrons for this ion. So it comprises of one nitrogen atom which has 5 valence electrons, one oxygen atom which has 6 valence electrons, and the plus charge indicates that it is giving away one electron and then acquiring this positive charge. So we have to minus that electron. So in total we have 10 valence electrons for this ion. Now we are placing nitrogen and oxygen atoms next to each other. To show a bond between these atoms, I am going to place a pair of electron like this, and I am going to place 6 electrons around oxygen atom so that it can have a complete octet, and I am going to place the remaining 2 electrons on nitrogen atom. Now if you look here closely, oxygen atom has a complete octet because of 8 valence electrons in its outer shell, but when we come to nitrogen atom, it just has 4 valence electrons. So to help this atom have a complete octet, we are going to shift pairs of electrons from oxygen atom. So I am going to shift a pair, and that will help nitrogen have 6 valence electrons in its outer shell. We will shift one more pair of electrons, and now nitrogen has 8 valence electrons in its outer shell, and even oxygen atom has 8 valence electrons in its outer shell. This results in a formation of triple bond between nitrogen and oxygen atom, but that is fine because it helps both these atoms to have a complete octet. Do not forget about putting brackets and mentioning the charge because it is an ion, and this is the Lewis structure for NO+. I hope this video helps you to understand that. For more such videos on Lewis structure, molecular geometry, polarity of the molecules, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.